Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable sensor on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. In about phone, go to software informations. Okay, tap this. In software informations, you can see here the build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Developer mode has been turned on. And okay guys, go back and go back again. And now in settings, you can see here the developer options. Okay, you can see below. So you'll have to do is tap the developer options. In developer options, okay, you can see here the quick settings developer tiles. Okay guys, you'll have to tap this. In quick settings developer tiles, you can see here the sensor off. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. Okay guys, to enable the sensor off, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, okay, you can slide from top to bottom to see the sensor off icon here. So you can tap this to enable. And okay guys, so that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled the sensors on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, so you can disable again by tap again the icon and turn off the switch button on the right side of the sensor off. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled sensor on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.